Hi everyone, I'm Polly G. Welcome to Fashion with Me. My channel focuses on makeup and fashion and how to always look your best and put together. I believe makeup should always be classy, not overdone, and should always complement and go well with your outfit. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me video where I show the outfit I have put together along with any accessories, and the second portion of the video I show the makeup application that I have done that I think pairs really well with the outfit. So the makeup I am wearing now is the makeup application that I'll be showing in the second half of the video. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So here is a sneak peek of the outfit. Of course, all the items are from Cabby. As you may know, I am a Cabby stylist. If you are not familiar with Cabby, I will have some of my Cabby videos listed below, which will give you more information if you'd like to check them out. So the first item I'll be wearing with this outfit is Cabby's Victoria blouse. This blouse has beautiful winter colors of blues, grays, and plums. It has a high-low hem to give that tucked-in look, but it's not. I am pairing the Victoria blouse with these great button fly straight jeans. They have a 5-button fly front and come in this great slate gray color. I love these jeans because they look great on so many body types due to the stretch fabric that holds you in all the right places. Next, I am adding this gorgeous Williams jacket. This jacket comes in this beautiful burgundy color and is a woven velvet material. And I think these gray ankle boots pull the whole outfit together. And last but not least, I have chosen Cabby's ID necklace and earrings to go with this outfit because I think the silver metal complements the colors in this outfit really well. Now onto the makeup. So as I said earlier, I believe your makeup should always complement and go well with your outfit. So when choosing my eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick, I always put the items up against my outfit first to make sure the colors work well. In this case, I think this eyeshadow palette from Essence, called I Like to Mauve It, will work really well. I especially like this blue-gray color because it's almost the same color that's in the blouse. I think this plum blush from Revlon and this lipstick, Blushing Berry from L'Oreal, will give me the look that I want. Okay, so this is the makeup portion of the video. I always do the same steps up until this point, so I'm not going to show those steps in complete detail. I will show you some clips how I apply the products and the products that I've used up until this point, but I just don't want to waste time showing the same things over again. But if you would like to see these steps in more detail, I will have links to some of my other videos that show these steps in more detail in the description box down below. So the first item that I always use is this Glow Activator Primer from Joa. I do want to mention that before applying your makeup or your primer, or before you start any application, you should wait at least 15 minutes after you've done all your cleansing of your skin and applied all your skin products, just to make sure that all the product is absorbed into your skin. That way your makeup will stay on much better during the day, and it's not going to move around too much. So as I said, the first item I use is this Glow Activator Primer from Joa. I put this on all over my face, down my neck, and on my eyelids. I love this primer. This primer to me goes on very velvety and smooth, and it just gives a really nice finish to your foundation. And while my primer is drying, I always take that time to curl my eyelashes. I think curling your eyelashes is a very important step, which really makes your eyes pop, especially if you don't use false eyelashes. The next item is my foundation, and for that I use the L'Oreal True Match in the color True Beige. I use these dense brushes when I'm applying my foundation, and I just love the finish that these brushes give to your skin, and they go on very easy and seamlessly, and I think they work great. The next item I use is the Age Rewind Eraser from Maybelline, and I use this in the color medium number 130. I put this under my eyes, I put this on my eyelids, I use this as a primer. I don't use an eyelid primer, so I do use my concealer as my primer, and I put it just in any areas where I need a little bit of extra coverage. I love this concealer, I think it's great, it lasts all day, highly recommend it. The next thing I always do is use my powder, and for that I love this Kat Von D powder. I think this is a great powder. It's a great translucent powder, and I put this everywhere I put the concealer. I don't put it all over my face, just pretty much where I put the concealer, and this just sets everything in place, and I think it works great. Next thing I do is my eyebrows, and for that I use the e.l.f. pencil in the color Deep Brown, and I just fill in my brows with this, and I just follow the natural curve of my brow, and then I use the spoolie on the other side to blend it all in. I love this pencil. I especially love it for the color. The next item that I always use for my brows is I use the e.l.f. Brow Wiz. This just sets the brows in place. I use it in the same color, deep brown, and I just put that on right over the brows and brush it in. It's really, really easy, and I really, really like this. I also think this is another great product. The next thing I do is I use my bronzer. I love this bronzer from e.l.f. in the color Sunkissed, and this is just a great bronzer. I use this all the time, and I just apply this all around the perimeter of my face, in my cheekbone area, and I just use it around my jawline and a little bit down my neck. This is a great bronzer. I also put it across my nose. I think that's where the sun would hit you, and I just think it gives you a really nice sun-kissed look. Next thing I always do is use a brown eyeliner pencil on the bottom lash line of my eye. This is a step you don't have to do. It all depends on you and the shape of your eye, because everybody's different. But for me, I think this works really, really well. It just frames the bottom of my eye. I put it right on the lash line. It's almost like tight lining on the top lashes, but I use it on the bottom lashes. And again, for me, it just frames my eye, and I think it just pulls the whole look together. But this is a personal preference. It may not work for everybody, or if you're lighter skinned than me, you might want to use more of a taupe color. I think that might work well if you have lighter skin. But just a little something on the bottom to frame your eye, I think, is very helpful. A lot of people say don't put liner or anything on the bottom lashes, but I do feel it just sort of pulls the look together. So I highly recommend the Neutrogena pencils. They glide on real easy, they last all day, and I don't find that they do any smudging. So I think this is a great pencil. Okay, so now onto the eyeshadow. As I showed earlier, I am using the I Love to Mauve It palette that I think complements this outfit really well. And the first color that I'm going to use is this color right here. And that's going to be my transition shade. I don't usually put my transition shade all over my lid. I usually keep it in the crease area and on the outer part of my brow. But for this look, I'm going to put this all over my lid, and I'm bringing it up all the way up to the brow. Not all the way. I mean, there's a little space in between, but I'm bringing it up to where the brow bone is and filling that all in. Same on the other side. Like that. The next color I'm going to use is this color right here. And I'm going to put that on with this flat brush. And I'm going to put that on the outer half of my lid, focusing on that inner V and pulling down a little bit of what is left. And over here, also pulling up. I turn the brush flat and then pull up what is left on the brush. And I might apply a little bit more. Same on the other side. Then I'm going to take my transition shade brush and I'm just going to blend that all in. Just on the outer part of the eye. Right here. Just so that all blends in nicely. Okay, and as I said earlier, I really like this color, this bluish gray color. I think this is going to complement the blouse and the outfit really well. But I don't want this to go on too heavy. So I am going to put this on with my finger. And I'm going to start out kind of light and see how it goes. Because I don't want to bring in too much of this, but I'm just going to press that in the center of my eye. Yeah, I'm going to need a little more. That didn't do enough. Like that. I'm not doing this with a brush because I don't want to get too much, and I'm afraid that it's going to go in places where I don't want it. So I'm just pressing this on the right where the purple eyeshadow stopped, and I'm kind of overlapping it and then pressing it into the other half of my lid, like that. And the next color I'm going to use is this color in the corner, top corner here, and I'm going to put that under my brow. Same on this side. And then putting it in the inner corner and a little bit in the tear duct. And then again, taking that blending brush with the transition shade and just softening everything. Just like that. Next, I am going to use my black Neutrogena pencil and I'm going to tightline the upper lashes. And I just let the pencil do the work and follow the line of my lash. And I love tightlining because I think, again, it just frames your eye nicely and it doesn't take up any real estate on your lid. That's one of the reasons I don't like to put eyeliner on the top. I think it closes your eye in my opinion. I like to just do the tight lining on the bottom and it just deepens everything and pulls the look together. If you've seen my videos before, you know I always skip my mascara and I go on to my blush. I save the mascara for last. And so I'm going to move on to my blush. So I'm going to use the Fit Me blush in the color Plum because we're sticking with the purples today. And I think this blush will work well with this look. I always put a little on the back of my hand so I don't get too much. And I start applying. Next, onto the lipstick, and I'm going to use my lip liner in the color Mauve from NYX. And the lipstick that I've chosen to go with this look is the L'Oreal lipstick in the color Blushing Berry. And in order to get the color that I'm looking for, which is just a little bit more deeper than that Blushing Berry is, I'm going to top it with this color from Revlon in the color Plum Baby. And I think that's just going to pull the color a little bit better that I'm looking for. I think that just deepened it up a little bit and it gave me a little bit better of the color that I want. Okay, last but not least is mascara. And if you've watched my channel before, you know I love my Full and Soft mascara in black for during the day. I love this mascara. It goes on just like it says, full and soft. It's not too much. And I just think it's a great mascara for during the day. It's not clumpy, doesn't flake. It stays put all day and it's a great mascara in my opinion. And then I like to top it off with my Neutrogena volumizing mascara, also in black. And I just put this very lightly on the outer corner of the lashes, just to deepen it up a little bit more. I just want to say, if you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button down below and give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow. It doesn't cost a thing and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so now I'm going to pull the outfit together and show you the final look. So here is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment down below what you thought of this style of video where I show the outfit and the makeup that I paired with it. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. And as I always say, keep it classy, keep it stylish, and always be your best self. Bye.